Yeah, so welcome to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes. Yeah, so I'm here to introduce Hamster Kombat to you, and I've created a new platform to show you that it is not trick or something like that. We just know the business inside. So today I want to show you how you can boost your energy. You don't have to type every day, so that and the more energy you boost, the higher coin you have and the higher airdrop you will get. You see, yeah. So I want to show you how you can become a better CEO, on Hamster Combat. So this one, I just created this account for the new ones. So if you're a beginner, I think this video is for you because people have been doing a lot. But this one, I've created a new account so that we will all start together. So when you create the account, if you want to know how to create an account, first of all, let me show you. You go to hamster combat game.io. Hamster combat game.io. I will leave the link in the description. Yeah. So if you click on the link in the description, you'll get 300 coin if you use the link, my link. Yeah. So when you come, you just have to click on this thing and it will give you more coins. But as a beginner, first of all, you have to know that the higher the coin, the higher the airdrops, so that we become best CEO. Yeah. So when you come, I'm showing how you boost it. Have you seen that we have boost over here? You click on the boost. The boost, you see that we have free daily boosters 6/6, and we have multi-type, and you have energy limits. So I'm showing the first one before I will show you this thing. So this one is for only beginners. So you just click on the full one. The full one, if you are new to it, you click on it, it will recharge it for you. Energy recharge successfully. It's that thing. So it means that I thought recharge it and it will take 60 minutes towards left. So let's assume that you have typed all this thing and you've adjusted your 1,000 this thing. So if you click on it, it will not come again. But when you go to your boost level here and you click on the full energy, it will give you another 1,000 coin for it to make good use of it. It's that thing. And the more you be getting the coins, the higher the airdrops. So people be saying that what is airdrop? That is why I'm doing this new channel to show you everything from scratch. You see, I'm showing you everything from scratch. Yeah. So I'm doing this from A to Z. So I'm showing everything from the beginning to the end. It's that thing. And one thing, let me tell you one thing. Hamster Combat is not just a game. It's a crypto exchange. So you just exchange your coin for airdrops. And if you don't know airdrops, I will show you a lot. You see, if you count down, we have exchange here, we have mine here, we have play games here, and we have friends here. So that I'll do everything. I will do every video one after the other. I'll release every video every day. Yeah. So when I go to the exchange here is you trying to exchange your coin for airdrops, and the mine is when you try to mine more coins. And I've seen that we have levels. So we have level 0 out to, so the more coin you have, so profits per hour. So if you are in the first CEO, the profits per hour that you'll be getting is what, 100 plus 100. So it goes on like that. And before you become level 0, you need what, this level, the first one, you need 1k going. So let's assume that you want to start. You just click on this thing to get 1k. You see, yeah, that's why, because like my first videos I was doing, I have I have 3 billion, so I was going fast. But this one, I've created a new account to show you how you do it. So you just click on the teddy bear like this, and you be mining your this thing. And just to see, this one is the energy. So when this one exhausted, when it's finished, unless you start I will say that my energy is still going up because of like I've boosted it. So I'll be clicking on it because I've boosted it. So I'll be clicking on it like that. And you have to think that it's not a game, it's a monetary this thing. The more coin you have, then you exchange the coin for a job. They will launch the job, and I will give you the date that they will launch the job. You see that thing? Yeah. So today our focus is on the exchange. Tomorrow we'll talk about the mind and everything. Yeah. So if you don't understand anything, you can also leave your comments another this video so that I'll tackle it and we'll talk about it. Certain. Yeah. So have you seen that right now? The bronze I have 1/11. Have you seen it? Yeah. So that's how it is. So we'll talk about a lot, and we'll talk about the airdrop too. So this is the airdrop. This is the airdrop. We talk about it right now. I'm starting this for beginners. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and subscribe, and let's make money.